Aloe vera, proven benefits and how to use it. Aloe vera is a powerful plant with natural healing properties for the skin, digestion, and overall health. But not all claims about aloe vera are true. In this video, let's focus on the real, science-backed benefits of aloe vera and how you can use it to improve your health. 1. Soothes burns and wounds. Aloe vera is one of the best natural remedies for minor burns, including sunburns. It has cooling, anti-inflammatory, and wound-healing properties that help the skin recover faster. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the burn or wound. Let it absorb for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day for faster healing. 2. Hydrates and nourishes the skin. Aloe vera is a lightweight, natural moisturizer that hydrates the skin without clogging pores. It's perfect for oily and acne-prone skin. Take a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel and massage it onto clean skin. Leave it on overnight or for at least 30 minutes. Then rinse. Use daily for soft, glowing skin. 3. Helps with acne and skin irritations. Aloe vera contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce redness, swelling, and bacteria that cause acne. It's also great for eczema and dry, irritated skin. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to affected areas. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes before washing off. Use twice a day for best results. 4. Supports digestion and relieves constipation. Aloe vera has natural laxative properties that can help relieve occasional constipation. However, it's important to use it in moderation. Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice with a glass of water. Drink it once a day, preferably before meals. Reminder: do not consume aloe vera latex, the yellow sap, as it can be too strong and cause diarrhea. 5. Boosts immune health with antioxidants. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, which help protect the body from free radicals and reduce inflammation. Add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to smoothies or herbal tea. Drink it 2 to 3 times a week for an antioxidant boost. 6. Promotes oral health and reduces gum inflammation. Aloe vera has antibacterial properties that help fight plaque, reduce gum swelling, and improve oral health. Mix aloe vera juice with water and use it as a mouthwash. Swish for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Use daily for healthy gums. How to use fresh aloe vera gel. If you have an aloe vera plant, here's how to extract and store the gel. Cut a fresh leaf from the plant. Let the yellow sap, latex, drain out. This part is not safe to eat. Peel off the outer skin and scoop out the clear gel inside. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. Final thoughts: aloe vera is an amazing natural remedy with real health benefits, but it's important to use it correctly. Stick to proven uses, avoid overconsumption, and always do a patch test before applying it to your skin. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.